So what should I make a video about? That seems to be the very first question that people ask themselves when they're thinking about starting a YouTube channel. Well, today we're going to go over a tool that I actually use personally that you could use to find video topics to make videos about. Make sure to watch all the way till the end. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan, and I'm here to help you find the tools to build income online. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time that a new video goes live. I know it can be really difficult sometimes to come up with an idea for a video to make. I mean, where do you even start? I'm going to show you a website that I personally use to find topics to make my videos on. Then I'm going to show you how I double check on YouTube that it's going to be a good topic to make a video on, so make sure that you watch the entire video so you get that bonus tip. Okay, so this is alsoasked.com. It's a site that you could punch in a basic keyword, a short string keyword, and it will give you other ideas of different keywords, longer string keywords that you could use to make a video on, or this could also work for any kind of other type of keyword research that you're doing, but I'm focusing on using it on YouTube for this particular video. So all you need to do is, you go to, this is the home page when you go to alsoasked.com, and you just go to, I'm in the United States, so I usually switch to the United States, but you could pick your selective country. And so I'm thinking about, okay, I want to make video ideas, so I'm going to search for video ideas. I had searched for it earlier. Hit search, and it gives you like a chart just like this, where you start off with video ideas, and then it breaks it down to a longer string keywords. And typically what you get when you have longer string keywords is you'll have less people searching for them, but it will have less competition. So you need to find that good balance between enough people searching for it, but lower competition. For instance, here's the first 4 breakouts of that. What are popular YouTube video ideas? Or how can I get ideas for a video? What challenges are trending? What types of videos are most viewed on YouTube? And then it breaks it down to even more. Then you can go all the way to the end and it breaks it down to a lot. These are a lot longer string keywords. What are popular YouTube video ideas? Hey, if you get value out of these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. If you have any requests for videos, leave it in the comments. I want to make sure that I'm making videos that you want to see. They're all related to video creation, but for this particular video, I was looking at this keyword. How can I get ideas for a video? Because that's related to what we're talking about and what I'm making on this video. What I'll typically do is I'll test out these different keyword ideas. So, for instance, I already searched for this. How can I get ideas for a video? So I searched for that, and I use TubeBuddy because I really like their weighted score that they give. So you could basically see there's a fair amount of search volume for this term, and then there's a very low amount of competition. So, and then one other thing that TubeBuddy does, like I mentioned, the weighted score, which you typically want something at least good, at least in the good range. I prefer it to be over 50, but I'm still okay with good, because as long as I'm delivering value when I'm making a video, I know that certain ones will end up ranking, and that's okay. You'd have some that aren't necessarily going to rank as high as other ones. But so I'm happy with 42. I'd like it higher, but 42 is at least good. So I could take that keyword, and now I know that it's getting a good ranking from TubeBuddy, and then I know that it's a longer string keyword. So I'd say the true value that you get from alsoasked.com is more so that you're able to just get ideas, that you're able to just have something, because you'll find questions that you never thought to ask. So the second that you find those questions, just find out the people that are asking those questions. Do a little research on YouTube and find the people that are asking the questions, and maybe look at a couple other people that have answered them and learn from them, and then you can make your own video on the topic. I hope you enjoyed learning about alsoasked.com. I get a lot of value from that site, so I hope that you can too. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you check out my YouTube growth playlist. I'll put a link to it in the description. Are you going to try alsoasked.com? Do you use another site to find out video topics? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.